So we are going to print a Fibonacci series. What is Fibonacci series? Already we discussed. Like we have to start from 0 and 1. So if 0 and 1 is there, then 0 plus 1, 1, which is the very next term. That means how we'll get the next term? After adding the previous two term. Like you can see here, how this 2 is generated by adding 1 plus 1. How this 3 is being generated by adding 1 plus 2. How this 5 is being generated by adding 2 plus 3. So the thing is that if I want to print n terms till n terms, what do you mean by this n terms? That means if I give the value of n is 5, then how long it will print? Prashangsha, may I know? Prashangsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So suppose if the value of n given by the user is 5, how long it will print? That means what are the terms we can get?
5.
That means if the value of n given by the user is 5, only we'll get 5.
5 terms will get.
So what are these
Up to
terms
5
I want to know? What are these terms? Prashangsha, can you?
No, sir. I can't understand what.
Like what is n?
The number which will we give means input.
Input. This input we are given for what purpose?
Number of terms we need.
Number of terms. So if you give n 5, so what are the term you will get? What are the terms you will get? Which one is indicated as a term here?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From where you will get this 4?
4, no, sir. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5.
So if the value of n given by the user is 5, so 5 terms we'll get. What are these 5 terms?
If we take first only if we print 0 and 1, then we will
I
get
don't want
1,
to know
2.
what we'll print. I want to know that if the value of n given by the user is 5, that means 5 terms it will print. So what are these terms? Prashangsha, can you?
Yeah, no, sir.
So you can't count how many 5 terms you can't count. 0 is one term, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then in 2 number terms, what we have? In number 2 terms, what we have?
1,
Number 3 terms, what we have?
1,
Number 4 terms, what we
2,
have?
3,
Number
2,
4 terms, what we have?
2. Up to 3 it will print.
So that means if the value of n given by the user is 5, then up to 3 it will print. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Isha,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Namans,
सर
is it clear?
मेरे को नहीं, नो सर.
What is n here?
सर ये समझ में आ गया.
So
मतलब एन जितना भी मतलब एन का अगर 5 इनपुट देंगे तो वो 5 टर्म्स प्रिंट करेगा, ये समझ में आ गया. ये मेरे को ये नहीं समझ में आया कि आई का क्या काम है इधर, आई का क्यों लूप घुमा रहे हैं और ये ऐसे कैसे हो गया. t इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी, बी इक्वल ए इक्वल टू बी, बी इक्वल टू सी, ये नहीं समझ में आया बिल्कुल. ये कैसे लूप करेगा?
First we'll run and check whether it will work or not. Actually, this series is called Fibonacci series. This series is called Fibonacci series. The value of n given by the user is 6. See how many terms it's printed. We'll have 6 terms, yes or
হ্যালো
no?
স্যার,
Yes.
হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে পাঠিয়েছি, একটু দেখে নেবে?
ঠিক আছে, দেখছি. So, Namans, if I give 6, this is the series.
Yes sir.
So, first printing statement A and B is printed. What it will print then?
0 and 1.
Done? So, if the value of n given by the user is 6, so out of 6 terms, how many terms we printed?
4 terms.
How many terms already we printed? 4 terms.
Oh, already printed 2 terms.
So, how many terms are left?
4 terms.
So 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times this loop will iterate?
The 4 times.
4 times this loop will iterate. So first C equal to A plus B. What was the value of A?
0.
What is the value of B?
1.
0 plus 1, what it is?
1.
So system.out.print C. What it will print?
1.
Next term what we have?
A is equal to B.
Next, that means
B.
after printing this 0, 1 in series, we have what? 1 is there, yes or no?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now A equal to B. What is the value of A now then?
1.
B equal to C. What is the value of B now?
1.
Then again the value of I became what?
I became 4.
Now C equal to A plus B.
Sir, how is this related to I? I can't understand why is it related to I, because we are not mentioning anywhere I over there.
I is used to iterate the term. I is used to this is a loop. Loop is used for what purpose? For iteration. We are doing with the C, A, B, A, B, C. And I is used to help us to print the term. After printing A and B, we need to print rest 4 term. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
How we will print these 4 terms without iterating? If you want to print 6 term, already 2 term is there. So rest 4 term, what you have to do?
We have to iterate and print them.
So this iteration we are doing with this I. Do you have what problem you have then?
No problem sir.
Then the value
It
of
will-
I became 4, correct?
Yes sir.
Then C equal to A plus B. What is the value of C now?
1 plus 1, 2.
Then system.out.print C. What it will print then?
2.
In series we have 2, yes or no?
Yes sir.
After that A equal to B. What is the value of A now?
A is equal to 1.
B equal to C.
And,
What is the value of B now?
B is equal to 2. So then 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. The next term is 3.
Then next term is
Then-
3. Then the value of I became 5. In 5th term we have 3. Then the value of I became 6. Then the value of A became 2 and B became 3.
3.
2 plus 3, 5. By this way it will continue.
Okay sir.
Is that clear?
Yes sir.
Anyone else? If anyone having any doubt, please.
না স্যার, বুঝেছি।
ঈশানী বুঝেছিস?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Moitri, anyone, if still anyone having any doubt, please raise your hand or unmute yourself and speak out. Oishi, do you have any doubt, Oishi?
না স্যার বুঝেছি।
Injamam?
বলছি